This recording is for Peter Andrews. Here is your EH TW9000W, and I'm just powering it up now just to show you that it's now powered up, powering up from the blue error. There you go. It'll be on the screen soon. There's your Epson logo. I'll just quickly put a snapshot of a video on for you, just to let you know that your lamp that you've got in your projector is flickering your image, so you will need to replace your lamp. This is my lamp as you can see, and there's your image on screen. Okay, it's all up and running, all ready to be returned, and I will now send you the invoice, and if you can arrange collection, it's all ready to be returned. So I will now package it back up. Alright, but you will need to replace the lamp, because your lamp has done there's your lamp. Your lamp has done 2,526 hours, and I can tell you now that the chances are that, looking at the lamp, looking at the image of the lamp, that that it's in an unstable condition, so I'd replace your lamp. Okay, so there you go, it's all up and running, and I'll now send you all the paperwork across. Alright, thank you Peter, bye bye.